Horses out, you have Shining Armor. Best to begin, moving up on the outside, Salinas. Jonas Recipes racing in third. Then followed by My Sweet Leonora, Marcus Wolf. Moving up in between horses, Mount Panama, Money Queen, third last, Carefree Treasure, and the Pira. Shining Armor goes on by about 3 for Balenga. And on the outside, second is Salinas. Jonas Recipe in third. Moving up now to take for this Mount Panama. My Sweet Leonora in fifth. Money Queen in sixth. Marcus Wolf. Carefree Treasure and Nepira. They swing into the back. Shining Armor this time by about 4 lengths. And in second, Salinas. Moving up My Sweet Leonora in the middle. Jonas Recipe comes next, Mount Panama, then followed by Money Queen. And that's the Shining Armor by about 5 lengths. My Sweet Leonora in second, Mount Panama in third. Moving up on the outside, Money Queen, Jonas Recipe. As they come down at the last 250. And that's the Shining Armor strides away by about 7 lengths. My Sweet Leonora moving up on the outside now is Money Queen. Last 150. And that's the Shining Armor by about 7 lengths. Money Queen to take second. And finally, the Shining Armor. Money Queen, My Sweet Leonora, Mount Panama, Marcus Wolf for your Pentapecta.